I am Professor Vijay Singh, Department of English, TS College, Hisua, Nevada, a constituent unit of Magad University, Bodh Gaya, Bihar. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss one of the important characters of David Copperfield by Charles Dickens. Charles Dickens was a great Victorian novelist of England. He was a famous novelist. He wrote many novels. Charles Dickens was a good storyteller. He tells a real and down to earth stories in his novels. In this novel titled David Copperfield, there are 64 chapters. There are 46 characters in all. Most of these characters are very peculiar and strange. They are both types and individuals. In the university examination, a character sketch of Betsy Trotwood is oftenly asked. Therefore, in this video lecture, I am going to talk about a character sketch of Betsy Trotwood, a great creation of Charles Dickens in his novel David Copperfield. Betsy Trotwood is an aunt of David Copperfield. Betsy Trotwood comes to the house of David when David was to take birth. Betsy Trotwood expects that the would-be child will be a girl, not a boy. But when David is born and Betsy Trotwood comes to know that the child born to her mother is a boy instead of a girl, she becomes very sad and unhappy. Betsy Trotwood goes back from the house at the same time. Now, David was born 6 months later after the birth of his father. David was an unlucky boy. Later, his father dies, leaving his wife alone in the world with a little baby, David. Later on, David's mother marries a young man named Mudstone. As the name suggests, Mudstone is a very cruel and hard-hearted man. He happens to be a stepfather of David Copperfield. He treats David cruelly. One day, he puts David Copperfield into a custody in a room on the upper floor of his house. Mudstone does not provide food and uh, food and clothes to David. It is Peggotty, the maid servant um, of his mother, who gives a little food and cloth to David under the door of the closed room of the house. Not only this, Mudstone beats David black and blue. When he beats him a lot, David Copperfield bites him in revenge. So Mudstone makes up his mind to send David Copperfield to a notorious boarding school where the headmaster named Crackle ill treats children. When David Copperfield was admitted into this infamous school, the headmaster of the school, Mr. Crackle, writes on David's back, he bites. David is not happy in the boarding school. After some time, his mother dies. Mudstone takes back David Copperfield from the boarding school. He sends him to his factory to work there for him. Thus, Mudstone exploits the little child, David Copperfield. So, David Copperfield leaves his house and goes to Betsy Trotwood in a very pitiable, pathetic, and wretched condition. When David Copperfield comes to um, Betsy Trotwood, she does not recognize and know David Copperfield because she sees him after a long time and in a very pathetic condition. But as soon as Betsy Trotwood recognizes and comes to know David Copperfield, she takes proper care of the little child. She arranges proper clothes for him. She sends him to a good school where David Copperfield is groomed into a promising boy. Later, David Copperfield, under the proper care and nurturing of Betsy Trotwood, uh, David becomes a good man, a noble man, a gentleman, and a famous writer. Then he marries Agnes, a beautiful lady. But his life with Agnes is not so happy. She dies after some time. After the death of Agnes, David Copperfield marries and beds Dora. David Copperfield lives very happily and cheerfully with Dora. Thus, we find that though Betsy Trotwood is not a biological mother of David Copperfield, but she steps into an angelic and godly mother. She makes him what David Copperfield is depicted in the novel David Copperfield. This happens due to proper care, love, affection, and nurturing of Betsy Trotwood. In fact, Betsy Trotwood is a symbol, embodiment of noble and gentle womankind or women folk. Betsy Trotwood is one of the best characters of the novel. Therefore, the nomenclature or the naming of Betsy Trotwood is uh, Betsy. It refers to the best women in the world. I think, dear students, you must have understood the portrait character sketch of Betsy Trotwood very much. Thank you very much.